Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am coming at you with my new releases for this month. I'm going to kind of do this in backward order. I feel like normally I start with the monthly stuff, but let's actually start with the two collections that are coming to the shop, and then we'll get to monthly last because there's like a lot going on with the monthly. So first things first is each of these will, I'll get to this at the end, I guess. So let's start with Fiesta because I sneaked that a long time ago. So this is super cute. I'm actually going to use this for Cinco de Mayo, and it's also Jessica's birthday week, so I think it all really works out super well together. So let's go ahead and look at this. I love the bright colors. How pretty is this? So you have your freebie, you have your girls on the bottom. I did put one of Jessica's little like custom girls with her hoops and the little margarita, a taco girl, and then this girl is like a pregnant girl, but I thought this would be cute for like food baby. I don't know. Or you can use it for a pregnancy sticker. You have a ton of deco on top. I just realized it looks like there's a face here. Isn't that cute? Gold glitter, super cute gold weekend banner, patterned half boxes, patterned washi, little things. Umber hair checklist I kept plain just because the boxes have a lot going on. So you have Fiesta like there's no mañana and mañana. Why does that sound weird coming out of my mouth? Mañana, is that how you say it? I think so. So then you have all these really cute boxes. You have the little planner, the, is this vodka? Hot sauce, tacos, cacti, all the things. You have some different girls here, double box, really pretty like rainbow colors. An extra full box here. You have your bottom washi, which I think this is gonna look so cute with the hot pink and gold Simply Gilded bow washi. I'm ready for it. So that is Fiesta. And like I always say every week, if I'm going fast, I do put pictures in the listing of everything. And also for the first 3 hours of new releases, this is the mini kit. For the first 3 hours of new releases, so starting at noon Eastern on Friday, there is unlimited stock for 3 hours, and then it goes back to the regular stock, and I send all of the overstock numbers to Kirsten to print. So that is something to take advantage of if you are a mini kit user, because mini kits usually sell out the fastest. So I've been able to keep those in stock for 3 hours, and y'all have been loving that hard. The other thing is that every week for I think like 2 months now, I've been doing a freebie for the first 200 orders. This week's freebie is going to be some bows, and these are the Hello June colors. Yeah, we're in June, right? Hello June colors. These will also be available in the shop. I've gotten a lot of messages about these on like Monday and Tuesday, like, where are the bows? Where are the bows? The bows are only available that weekend only. So Friday at noon Eastern to Sunday evening, and if I forget, sometimes they'll be up Monday morning, but that's not like guaranteed. So these are all of the bows this week. So these will be available to purchase if you would like to that week only. So this is the one for Fiesta. So the 200 orders will get this, but this will be available if you want to purchase it. I asked you guys on Instagram, and you guys said that you want the option to purchase those. There's also an option if you want to add on personal washi to this one, and then somewhere, here they are, we have an option if you want to do glitter headers. I have just the gold, which is gorgeous, and then also the colorful. So whichever one you prefer. I don't know which one I prefer. I kind of like the gold a lot, but I love the colors. So I'll probably keep both of them with me and decide later because I think I always change my mind anyways. So then the other collection besides Hello June is London Calling, which is such a pretty collection. I am probably going to use this. A lot of you guys commented, and Jessica also told me that I should use this for the royal wedding, and I was like, yes. Bennett, you being loud. He's downstairs playing. He just woke up from a nap. So there is the freebie. So on the bottom here, okay, so this is something new too. So sometimes I change things, like as you can see, like the glitter samplers now have this. Did the Fiesta one have it? No, so the Fiesta one was already, wait. Am I doing something wrong? No, this is, okay. This is for London Calling, but honestly, it would work for Fiesta. But so the Fiesta one I designed and had printed before, so it has the skinny appointment labels, and then these ones have the labels, which everyone is dying over, which is definitely like warranted, guys. I love it too. And also I think like the Hello June is the labels. So something else that I'm changing is before, I think it was on Fiesta had it. On Fiesta, let's open you up. Okay. So on here, there is this little sticker that says, buy more Scribblers. So buy more Scribblers at MoreSPC.com. Sorry, I'm getting a lot of messages. And so what I did is I changed it to be a little bow that I doodled. I think that's so cute. So you'll have one little bow. It's definitely a completely different size than this. These are like bigger bows, which I think are perfect for like quarter boxes or half boxes. Let's put those up there. So super cute for that. I think that these bows look cute here. And this bow especially, I think, looks really good on top, like in the center of the quarter boxes and half boxes. But this is like more of like a mini bow. It's the same height as the Scribblers, if you guys can imagine that. So it'll look really cute, just like a smaller bow. So I thought that'd be a cute thing just to add, just because I think that that's a little bit more functional for you guys. I'm kind of thinking about switching this out for some scripts. I think that's like the new current thing. I love this kit so much. I love it. I just want to like scream because I love this color scheme. I love the gold with it. I love the pink. I love like the theme. I really wish I had it last year whenever I actually went to London, but it's okay, Jess. It's okay. And then there are some Scribblers that I haven't released yet. Well, one, there's a little girl holding a red washi tape. You have a girl just in a cute little party dress and a girl holding coffee. So super, super cute. Let me switch to the ombre heart checklist just so you guys can see this. So on the background of the ombre heart checklist, there is like a London skyline. I think that's really fun. I've been using my ombre heart checklist and I really want to like up the game on the backgrounds on those, and it does continue in here just because I think it's fun. Just a little something something to spice things up. Gold weekend banner, gold half boxes, pattern washi. I love these bows. Little things, and then you have your double box. You have some different girls here. I did do an add-on fashion girl, which I think I might do. I know Jess does a lot of, the artist of this, does a lot of like 3 girls, and I think it's fun to include 2, and then you can pull in a 3rd, and I'll kind of make these even more different than these ones. So like I won't do another girl with the dark hair or the like medium tone skin. Well, actually I did do a medium tone skin one, but you know what I mean? So like I even have more options so you can at least relate to one of them maybe. So then I love this like whole box right here. I just think it's so fun in this box. So I'm going to definitely use this, I think, for the royal wedding. And again, I think this would be so pretty with some red washi. I kept this plain on the bottom just because I think it doesn't need anything. I love the like subway tile look. You have the 3 girls like kind of standing on the street together, just super cute with all their different shoe colors. So I love that. So that is the ultimate kit for London Calling. Again, I love this kit. I think it's probably my favorite this week. I don't know. I'm just like in love with it. Whenever I was doing it, I was like, yes, 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 like putting everything together. I was loving it. And I just think it's so clean looking too. I feel like a lot of Jess's art is very clean because of this style of her art. So I love that. This is the mini kit, which the mini kits have been fire recently. You guys have been loving the mini kit. So that is the mini kit for London Calling. Just love it. I love the gold. I love the blue. If she did silver accents, I don't think I would have loved it as much. I love the gold. Then you have the 2 options, which here's the truth on this one. Again, it really could match Fiesta. I didn't really even like think twice about it. So you have that option as well as the colorful option. Probably going to go with the gold if it's me, but I do really see why if you'd want this, especially because that red is something we don't do often there. There's also an option if you want to add on the girls. Like I said, I tried to do like some different ones from the ones that are already in the boxes, and this is just a different girl to begin with. So really like them. I love, like, you could definitely use 2 of these if you wanted to. I know a lot of people buy these to kind of extend their kits, and I try and like sometimes change them with either flipping them or like changing their shirt color so they kind of look like 2 different girls. like with the different shirts. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the personal washi. And then if you also want to pick up the bows, these are super, super cute. Just something to have. I know a lot of you guys have been buying like 5 of these, which is so cool. I love it because like I drew it and it just makes me so happy that you guys like it too. Then let's get on to the month, let's get on to Hello June first, then we'll get on to the monthlies because we got a lot going on for the monthlies. I did reformat things and I have the B6 one that I'm going to put up. I only did one because I want to see how it sells, and then I'm going to make a final decision on if I'm going to continue producing them, because honestly, like, I do a lot in the shop already, like the amount of kits. I mean, you guys know, you guys are here every week, you're watching the videos, you know how much I put out, so I want to like make sure I'm not like not killing myself over here. So this again was done earlier than me putting the bow down here. I love this art, but I wasn't like crazy about it for a full collection, but I think this is really cute just for like the cute deco on top. So you have this really beautiful color scheme. I think it's a really nice, like, you know, your break from the spring colors, we still have a little bit of spring in there, and like just before you're hitting that summer colors. Down here you do have like this is from the Mondays sheet, you have a girl reading a book, and then you also have a girl holding a baby, which I thought was really cute. This is the same format with the new like sprinkle glitter on the sides that I've been doing for a couple months instead of the full on glitter everywhere, which I think you guys really like based on the numbers of the sales of them, and I just think it's a really simple kit. And then you have, this is the new glitter texture, which I really like. I'm kind of debating, I think I'm going to switch out the color and glitter, well, the glitter club to this. You have the faux bottom washi, which has the little bow paper clips, which I think is going to be a hit. And then the bottom glitter there in your extra full box. So that is the ultimate kit of Hello June. Just a really pretty color scheme. It reminds me of something, but I really can't put my finger on it. You guys will let me know. That also does come in a mini kit if you wanted to pick that up. I think the ultimate kits of the ultimate kits sell better than the mini kits of the monthly stuff. Or like just in general, the mini kits don't sell as well as like the, what's it called? The like collection mini kits. I think it's because a lot of people use this as like multicolor and like fun colored glitter, almost like a glitter club. So super cute. I just want to also like highlight this deco again for a second. Just look at it. It's really cute, like the little tiny baby bow paper clips. In love. There's also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler as well as the personal washi. And then these will also be in shop, but like I said, they'll be in the first 200 orders, which goes pretty quickly actually, the first 200 orders. So these are super cute. I love these colors, especially that pink. It's a very like white neutral pink, which I like. Then let's get on to the monthly stuff. First things first is I did do a video on this earlier in the month if you want to go look at it. But I am going to be offering just this once, and then I'll see how it sells. I know a lot of people want me to back plan them because you could also like pick them up for like future months, so like do January through May. But I am going to put up June to see how it sells, and then I'll kind of make a decision from there. Not promising anything, but if you want to see this kit more in full, there is a video on it, and I did this little spread with it in the B6 So Much Crafting inserts. I don't think it really fits in any other B6 inserts, but I think the So Much Crafting ones are probably the most popular ones. Then we'll show you the personal kit, so nothing has changed in here. This is the Hello one. I just thought it'd be fun to do a Hello personal because usually it is the art that I pick rather than the glitter. Then we'll move on to the monthly kit. I decided that this month we are doing a Love is Love monthly kit, and I'm really excited because this is a new format. I think I actually might want to show you the format in the Hello just so you can see it because there's a lot of bold colors going on in that, but I know a lot of you guys have messaged me about when the Love is Love monthly kit was coming out. So this is our new format, and I'm really excited about it, which is funny because July technically I'll have to be like looking at like what the new Erin Condren is looking like. So first things first is you're going to get a little deco sheet type thing, and this is the size of our samplers, so you could kind of get the sizing of that, but super super cute. And that has the same deco as the Hello, and I just think it's the perfect little amount to sprinkle in your spreads. You have your freebie for the days that are in the month. Then I did switch up the font a little bit to a more like fancy font with your little holidays on the bottom. This page is completely different. So you have two movie marquees that'll fit the width of the monthly. You have your date, dots or well, date squares. Then you have some fancy labels. You have some washi. I forgot how I cut this. We'll just leave that like that for now. So you have your washi. And then you have down on the bottom your full box. So kind of hard to see, but then you have your full box. So you have your fancy label, 2 pieces of washi, and then the full box. And just so this cut like a decent speed, I cut it the long way. You guys will see whenever you get it. So that is that. So super cute. And I just think that this is something that you guys have been asking for a lot, is like more functional items. So you do get like the washi that you can kind of layer around, full boxes, and then the fancy labels, 2 movie marquees, and like I said, you still have the date squares. This I changed up, so you do have some mini icons. I think these are a little bit bigger than before. And then you have your sidebar, your extra flag. This is actually the same format as the old minimalistic monthly. And then instead of the mini events, I did do the mini event flags because you guys have been asking about those. And then this sheet is the same as before. So just a little updates, but I think you guys are really going to like it, especially the deco and the movie marquees. Those have been very, very much so requested, and the like fancy labels. I love those so much. So let's go ahead into the June one real fast. So you do, again, have your little bit of deco. You have your strip for the time that's not in the month. And I just love this so much. I just think it's so important. So there's that. Then you have your full boxes, the washi. And actually might be a little bit easier to see what's going on in here. So you have your 1, trying to like be in frame, 2, label, and full box. So super cute. And then your movie marquees, which you don't have to mark movies with. You can mark just events with. That's kind of what I do. I don't have time for movies anymore, sadly. Then you have your icons, your sidebar, and then again, those mini events. And I tried to do kind of rainbow colors, like these only have red through green, and then you have green through purple on here, and then the same with the icons. And then if you move to like this page, you have the red. So I tried to like do like an equal amount of like items. Obviously I can't do exactly equal, but I think it's gonna look really beautiful all together. And I think I'm gonna do like so I was saying, I think I wanna do I think I wanna do a spread. I'm like lost. I answered like 10,000 messages, but my camera like turned off. I think my camera battery's going. I'm not 100% sure. I think I have one somewhere, but then there's also the option if you want to add on the deco sidebar, which is only just one option, but I think it's super cute. So that is everything for the June monthly. I don't think I'm going to do another option for June. Honestly, like I feel like I've been like busting butt on the sticker game. Like I wish you guys could see my production list right now, but I really wanted to make sure that that was my option that I had for June. So that is Love is Love. And then we also have the Hello one, which I think you guys like the finer glitter more. And I'm really excited about this one because I do really love this deco. I just think it's so cute. Can we just talk about it again? And that's like a freebie. I'm not changing the price of these kits or anything. I just thought like, why not just add a little deco in? Like it's not gonna hurt anyone. Oh, and then like, I'll show you guys what this one looks like. So you have another girl, some hands, super cute. So I hope you guys like these. I'm just like really excited. And so many of you guys have been asking about this. So I really wanted to make it happen. Super cute. So that's everything for this week. Like I said, so many things going on. Like we have the 3 collections, we have bows, we have the new monthly, we have the B6 monthly, which I'm really excited about. I'm not sure about pricing on that. I'm gonna have to like figure it out. I know I think it's gonna be probably $1 more than this one, because this one's like small. I think that's what it's gonna be. Don't quote me yet, but y'all will see whenever it's listed, but it'll be something around there. So I really like it, and I think I'm gonna start doing rewinds in my B6 if it sells well. If it doesn't sell well, I don't know, but I think it will. You guys seem to be really hyped on it. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and just being here every week with me. I just feel so thankful. Like, not that I wasn't thankful before, but I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'm changing. I feel like my life's changing, and I just love it. And I'm like so happy, and like I feel productive, and I feel like I'm in a good place. My like 5 videos are back. Like Bennett's like so like happy, and I mean, besides whatever he was doing before, I don't know, there's probably a penguin that wasn't like, he has this one penguin that he puts in his mouth and he goes "Argh!" And then he like pulls out and is like happy, and I'm like, you just like let out all your anger on that penguin, kiddo. But anyways, that is everything. I hope you guys like this video. I'm just dead over this deco. So I'll talk to you guys in my next one.